Hello and welcome to this channel. In this video, we will talk about number of elements in a set. Before we proceed, let's look at two important points. First point, the order in which the elements are written makes no difference, and each element is listed only once. Let's take an example. Now, A is equals to the set letters in the word book. If we look at the word book, we have letter O written twice. So when we list the element of set A, we only have to list letter O once. So we can write it as A is equals to the set BOK, or A is equals to the set OBK, or A is equals to the set KBO. The order in which we write the elements or list the elements makes no difference. Next point, a set containing no elements is called an empty set or a null set, where it is denoted by this symbol here or using the open curly braces and close curly braces. Notice that there is nothing we write, or we don't put any elements inside or in between the curly braces. Let's take an example. P is equals to the set all chickens with 3 legs. In reality, chickens have 2 legs, so no chicken has 3 legs. So obviously P is equals to a null set. Okay, so we use this symbol, or you can use this. Now, the number of elements in a set is denoted by n of, for example, A. So the number of elements in set A, for this case, we will say n of A. If we say the number of elements in set B, then we will say n of B. But how do we calculate or know how to count the number of elements? It is simple. Let's look at this example. A is equals to the set 1, 3, 5, 7. To find the number of elements in set A, what we need to do is just count the elements. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4. So there are 4 elements. Therefore, the number of elements in set A is 4. Let's look at another example. We have C is equals to the letters in the word spheres. Before we count the elements, of the set here, which is C, we need to list it. So remember that we cannot list S twice. We have 2 S here and 2 E here, but when we list it, we just need to only write it once. So we have C is equals to S, P, H, E, R. So there are 5 elements. Therefore, the number of elements in set C is equals to 5. Let's take another example. Let's say B is equals to the set X such that, this symbol here is such that X is a natural number. Well, we know natural number starts from 1 and it goes up. So first of all, to find or to count the number of elements, it's important that we list it first. So we list. Now B is equals to the set 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Well, it continues to 9 and it goes beyond that. So it continues there. So we will only say that the number of elements in set B is equals to infinity. Let's take the last example. Now D is equals to the set X such that X is an integer and 3x is equals to 5. First of all, we need to solve this equation and see if X is an integer. So if we solve this equation, we will have 3x is equals to 5 and x is equals to 1.6666 recurring. Now we can see that 1.66 recurring is not an integer. Therefore, D is equals to a null set. Well, a null set, as we know, does not have any elements. Therefore, the number of elements in set D is equals to 0. Thank you all for watching and see you in the next video. Bye for now.